Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you optimize your internet speed instantly by changing the DNS server in Windows like F4. So for this case we will go to the search option. Here we'll go to the control panel as well as expand the network and sharing center. So in this sector, so here so click the change adapter settings this. So here are lots of options. So in Wi-Fi I will click the right button as well as go to the properties. So in this property and we will networking section here and scrolling in below and we will get the things internet protocol version 4. See, we will just click the double click and go to the DNS number. Here not the IP, we'll go to the DNS. So 8 arrow 8 arrow 8 arrow 8 and tab 8 arrow 8 arrow 4 4. See, so we will go to the settings. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.